Hello, hello everyone. It's Mindy with some diamond paintings to show you. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm glad you found my channel, stumbled upon it, and I hope you stick around for a while. And everybody who's returning, welcome back. These are from DPClubs. I got a few here to show you. So let's get into them and I'll show you the good stuffs. Alrighty. So the first one. Don't ask me why. Don't question why. There was a whole series of like these little Tiki guys, and I just thought they were cute, and so I got one. There you go. So there he is. He's just this Tiki head. He was very colorful, and he didn't look mean. Some of the other ones looked very angry, and I was like, no, I don't want an angry looking Tiki guy. So I got this guy. Look at them teeth on him. He's got some big teeth. He has got 6 different drills. Let's check them out and see what they are. Okay? Here we go. Only 6. That's not very many, is it? All right, so what do we have? We have green rhinestones. We have black ABs. Those are very pretty. Some gold rhinestones, purple rhinestones. That's it. Green, goldish color, orangey, pink, and black. And then a couple specials. Some round, red faceted, and some marquise. There's his teeth. Teeth. All right. Like I said, they had several in the same theme of Tiki guys. If you go to the link, I'll link this below, it will probably bring up that whole little section. Same thing for these guys. Whoops, you're going willy-nilly on me. Now, this is more what you'd expect from me, right? You know, it's more what you would expect. Yep, cowboy boots, cowboy hat, and some sunflowers. Yeehaw! I love that. I love it, love it, love it. They had different styles of boots, different floral arrangements, but they all had boots and flowers, you know, and there were several of those as well. Love this one. This one has 11 different drills. I can see A and B will be our specials, and probably everything else is rhinestones. So let's check those out. I bet they're going to be brown and green and red and yellow. So, all right, here's what we have. We have some regular black drills. Here's the red. Here's the yellow. Oh, 2 yellows. A golden yellow and a lemony yellow. There's another red. Oh, that's interesting. Where do those go? 6. The leaves are like turquoise. Okay. And here's our brown shades. This one's kind of a pinkish, orangish brown. And we got a clear. And we have these little red faceted, which are going to go, where did I just see them? The A? Yeah, A. There's just a couple of them. And then we have petals for our sunflowers, which are these teardrops. Pretty. I like it. So I'll link below, and remember, you're probably going to get a variety of items with each link. Next. What's up next? What's up next? This one. It was just different. Just unique. That's got 20 different drills. Wow. Okay. That one will be fun. I see I and F and B and A as far as specials go. That'll be fun. 20 different colors. It's kind of a rainbow, but not like the whole rainbow. And all these flowers. Super pretty though. I liked it. All right, lots of colors here. Let's roll with the colors. Here we go. So we have blue, purple, purple, red, gold, that lemon yellow, another red, an orange. This looks like the same package I just had, doesn't it? A couple more blues and teal colors, another clear. Then we have round faceted gold. Ooh, those are pretty. Some lime green teardrops. Smooth pink teardrops. Red marquise. Blue marquise. Those are faceted, not the smooth. And these are purple faceted. And we have one more. Love those. The green iridescents. Love those. So that's got a lot of specials to it. Like I said, a lot of special drills, a lot of rhinestones, 20 colors on that one. Love it. All right, what else do we have? Oh, back to the butterfly kit. Yeah, I got lots of butterflies. Here's what their toolkits look like. Everyone comes with one of those. Look at this one. I loved the colors on this. I think this is really pretty, like these corally colors and the blue butterfly. I think it's going to be gorgeous. We're going to get some shards in here for these petals. 7 different drills. Just 7. It's pretty though, isn't it? I love it. Okay, let's look at our drills. What do we have? Let's look at them. All right, here we go. So we have this pretty blue, a red, an orange, a very light orange, pink. So the blue is for the butterfly, and all of these other colors are going to be in the flowers. And here's the special ones. We have these gold balls. That's number 6. So they'll be inside the flowers and those wings. And then there's our shards for the sunflower at the bottom. Sunflower, maybe it's a zinnia. I don't know. We'll call it a sunflower for now. But isn't that pretty? I love it. I just loved those colors together. And the last one, he's a fun guy. I like him. I like him a lot. And there were multiple owls as well. The butterfly, I'm not certain about, but I know there were multiple owls. And he just looked like the most fun because of his special drills. He's got these gems that are dangling down here. And then look at, he's got C and A and D and F and B. He's got all these special drills down here on his body. He's got a bunch of special drills up here on his head. Look at his nose, right? That beak. It's an upside down E. But I thought he was just beautiful. I think he's going to be gorgeous. He's got 13 different drills. I think he's going to be cool. You know me, I love owls. I love the owls. It's been kind of an owl and butterfly kind of summer. Yeah, that's what I've been getting a lot of. All right, let's look at our drills. Gotta find the beginning first. Here's the beginning. Okay, so he's lots of browns and golds. A brown and a gold, a light tan color, another gold, a black. Then we have red. We have this lemony yellow. That's interesting. These are gorgeous. Okay, now our specials. These are gorgeous. These fiery, iridescent marquees are just stunning. A large gold faceted and a smaller gold. A large blue faceted and some more fiery looking things. I love these. I love this color. Look at them. They're my favorites. Love those. And then we have his beak. Dun, 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 dun. There's his big old beak. Don't lose that one. You only get one. So I love it. Yeah, it's been the season of owls and butterflies. Owls and butterflies. And I mean, I'm not complaining. Are you? There's an owl. Beautiful. There's a butterfly. Beautiful. Right? The Tiki Guy, he was just, he was just a one-off out there somewhere. We'll put him here. There you go. There's what I got. Anyhow, I will link them all below so you can check them out and see if there's anything that you like. They've got good prices. What can I say? I did a few things for Smashing the Specials. I guess it's time to stock back up. I don't need to restock. I really don't. Anyhow, this is what I have to show you. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back and see more videos in the future. All right? Have a great day, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.